welcome back to the channel. In front of me I have a brand new inbox Hotpoint FETC70BP tumble dryer, 7 kilo condenser. Got this because it was part of the Hotpoint Indesit recall program, so I had a Indesit 7 kilo condenser dryer and it was affected by the recall. Nice and simple process. Put your model number in, put serial number in, a few details about where you are. They then send you an email offering you your options on what you want to have the machine replaced with. So I had this or the vented equivalent for free as an option, or I had, if I was to pay £99, I could upgrade to a higher spec model with more electronic timers and beeps and buttons and things. This is just a nice simple timer and a button. So without any further ado, let's get it open. So here it is in all its condenser dryer glory. So as I say, it's a Hotpoint FETC70 7 kilo timer model with a high and low heat option. Empty water indicator there, start button down there, B energy, and you've got your water container here. Got a warning on it saying this could weigh up to 5 kilos once it's full. It's in, nice and simple. Open the door, press the door in. Nice big wide opening door. In the drum we have 2 of these paddles, one either side and the opposite ends of the drum look. And a specialist design on the drum to apparently avoid creases. This is, I believe, part of the modification that they were using. I may be wrong. Front left is the lint filter. Just pulls out like so. You've even got an arrow to tell you which way to put it in. That slots in there. Something I've just noticed is the door on this model is not reversible. It's got the panels on the door to be reversed for another model, but looking at that, there is no reversible slot, and there's places for the hinge to go, but there's no holes for the hinges to go into. So this model has not got a reversing door, unfortunately. And finally, down the bottom we have our condenser box behind this flap. Unclip those. And that just pulls out. So when you get yours, make sure you regularly maintain this, because it will affect the efficiency of the machine. It can be a bit fiddly to go in, but you'll know when it's in. So that's about it. Right, before I plug it in, we're just going to have a quick look through all the paperwork. Energy label there. 68 decibels, 126 minutes for a normal cycle. B-rated energy. Was there a second one? I think they're the same. Yeah, they look the same, okay. Guarantee card. So you can fill that out if you were to have your own. And you've got another part of the guarantee. Tells you the number to call there. Then you've got this, which is the parts guarantee. These come with two guarantees, one for the actual machine itself, which is a year, and then one which you can register for 10 years, which is a parts guarantee. But you do need to read the terms and conditions on that, because there's a lot of complicated reasons why they wouldn't come out. And then finally you've got the instructions, a very simple 2-page thing. So a standard cotton 7 kilo load should take around about just over 2 hours. Half a load will take about 80 minutes. So, and they also have given me this, which I won't be using. And you've also got a sticker to put on your guarantee, so you don't have to fill it out yourself. And finally a quick look around the back, not that there's much to see. You've got the 2 height pipes going into the condenser at the top there, heater behind here, mains lead, and then down the bottom is the water pump to pump the water to the condenser. So let's load it up and get cracking, shall we? Got some towels I washed the other day. Just going to throw in. So on the condenser drawer you've got a program guide here, so I'm going to say the load that I've just put in is around about 5 to 6 kilos, so I'm gonna go for 100 minutes. And then when the condenser's full, that will illuminate. I'm not sure if the dryer stops when that comes on, but high heat, off we go. So it's not massively noisy. It's what standard dryer noise would be, I suppose. One thing I will say about this machine, it doesn't have any adjustable feet, so you will have to put something under it if it is out of level, which is a shame really, because it wouldn't have cost a lot to put one adjustable foot in. Never mind. So this is actually a reversing dryer, I didn't realise that. There you go, you can hear it just reversed there. And I didn't realise this is a first edition model, so it is just the basic model they offer, the cheapest one they offer. So that's all I can really say about this dryer at this stage. I'm just finishing off those towels, I think for half an hour roughly. But yeah, it's turned out not too bad, this thing. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.